Hey guys, it's Kim, and in this week's video I'm doing my last DIY Halloween costume video. I know this video is not going up on Wednesday, it's going up on Tuesday, but that is because Halloween is tomorrow. So this one here is great if this is like your last minute, you have no idea what to be for Halloween. This one is super simple and easy to make. Everything you should already own. The only thing you might have to go out and buy would be white felt, but everything else you would have. So this here is the costume. It's a domino. I'm a black domino. You could do it so the white dominoes would just be like a white stuff with black felt instead. But yeah, I had more black clothes than white clothes, so this is what I did. So if you guys want to figure out how to do this domino costume, then please stay tuned. So all you need is a black t-shirt, some black pants, or even a black dress would work also. Some white felt. Scissors, fabric scissors work the best. Something to use that you want to make this shape of your circle. A pen and some tape. Again, you can use hot glue if you don't want to use a shirt again, but tape will work just as well. What you want to do is I used a ribbon, a spool, and used that to form my circle. So I just took the pen and made the circle shape. The next, all I did was cut out my circles. Cut out as many circles as you want to do to make how many dots that your dominoes would have. The first one I did had 4, and the one I did on the bottom had 6. So next line I'm taking is my black t-shirt, putting it out and figuring out where I want the dots to be and then taping them into place. Again, if you want to make it more permanent, you can just take a hot glue gun. Next, what I did was to make the line that's in the dominoes was take the end of the fabric and just cut a straight line across the end of it, and then took that and then taped it to the bottom to make the line. And then you would repeat the dots on the bottom, like I did 4 on top and then 6 on bottom. And then there's your costume. I hope you guys give this domino costume a try. If you do, let me know with a comment below. Please subscribe to my channel, and I guess we'll see you guys next week with another video. Thanks. Bye.